Hole 1 on Templeton Golf Course. What a beautiful day to start off with a tee. Jadi Kubita. Nice shot. Oh, ito simple lang no? Goods.
Okay, we're starting a yellow, 291 meters. LM on the tee. Not bad. Not bad, bro. Still rolling. Laying 2. Bad, bro. Third shot. Nice shot, him. Nag-right lang. Not bad, bro.
Second shot for Jadi. Hole number 1. Yun lang. Yan. Oops. Bumunker shot. Third shot. Bunker shot. Nice out, putang ina mo. Ganda nun
Akala ko malakas na yun.
Nice, M. Go. Sit. Nice.
Putting par for Jadi. Hole 1. Oy, sobra lang. Tapos mo na.
Sit.
Putting bogey for Jadi. Putang ina ka. Double. Ayup.
Nice shot.
Second hole for Jadi. 140 meters. First shot. Huwag mo tanggalin Huwag mo tanggalin.
Alright. Second hole. 141 meters. LM on the tee. Dun din. Same. Second shot. Set na. Set na. Uy. Lakas ko.
Second shot for Jadi. Sobrang hina naman. Playing 3. Goods. Alright.
Second shot. Third. Sit. Fourth shot. Nice.
Jadi for his bogey shot. Prepara. Oy, double. Hole 3, 470 meters. Jadi on his first shot. Medyo umaambon-ambon. Tutang, simple lang oh. Effortless. Kaya naman pala umabot doon kahit effortless lang eh no.
Alright, third hole, 470 meters, par 5, LM on the tee. Nice. Nag-right lang. Not bad bro. Nawawala parati yung bola dyan bro eh. Doon ah. Doon sa may ano, line ng puno. Second shot. Tandaan mo bro ah, kung saan. Yun. Makita lang sa Kalaway na flight ng bago.
Second shot for Johnny. Third hole. Ganda. Ganado ah.
Third shot. Yan. Third shot. Oh, nice. Gorman dyan, bro. Gore dyan. Ah, hindi. Nice.
Third shot for Johnny. There's the pin. Nice shot. Medyo kumanan lang. On sana.
Uy, nasyang bro. Dun. 5 shot. Set na. Set na. Okay lang yun. Hindi yun nahulog.
Fourth shot. Very close to the pin. Gago. He's gonna use his first mulligan. Fourth shot again. Goods. Worth it.
Playing 6. Nice. Roll. Set na. Lakas no?
Jadi for par. There's the hole. Up, up, up. Good line, good line. Oy! Good stand.
For double. Go in. Good jam, bro. Oh, good. Triple.
Hole number 4. Par 4, 343 meters. Jadi on his first shot. Assessing the direction of his ball. Yun lang. Maba dun. Hindi ko lang alam kung nahulog yun dun ah.
Bro. Hole 4. 343 meters. LM on the tee. Mulligan, bro. So good. Playing 2. He's using his 5 wood. He said he's gonna fade it. Practice. Bounce. Not bad. Straight. Tigas nga yan. Bah, ganda nga. Dang. Boom.
Jadi, second shot. Leparin mo lang niya, no? Gago.
Dapat doon, oh.
Layo.
Dito pala yung target ko, gago.
Oo, yung aim mo, gago. Yung aim mo. Playing 3 or Jadi. Ah, ganda naman. May line ka. Okay lang. Sayang, kung lumipad yun, ganda sana.
Playing 4. 135 meters. There's a tree on the middle. Batukan, bro. Sit.
Jadi on his fourth shot. Yung aim mo, ah. Ay, over pa.
Playing 6. Nice. Ganda, bro, kasi ano siya.
Jadi on his fifth shot. Downhill yan, papunta dito sa pin. Hina, medyo mahina. Okay na rin. Jadi on his sixth shot, pating double bogey. Nice speed. Oh, nice one.
I'm playing 7. Nice.
Hole 5, 304 meters. Jadi, bawal umihi dyan.
Hole number 5, Arcadia. 304. LM on the tee. Kung tuloy-tuloy na hindi ano to, tigil tayo ha. Sayang. Kasakit ka. Yun. What a fade, man. Grabe naman yung fade na yun.
Fifth hole. First shot, Jadi. Nice, straight. Straight to the pin. Goods. Ganda. Ganda, ganda.
2. Punch out, bro. Tira. Okay. He's gonna shot instead. No, very straight. Uy, nag-kick lang sa right.
Hindi magano sa akin, no?
Oo, no? Nag-kick siya, bro.
Second shot, Jadi. Using his... Oh, gago. Practice shot. Aim mo, yung aim mo, Gagi. Yeah. Nice! Right talaga tira mo rin eh, no?
Possible for par. Nice shot, Em. Roll. Uy! Taas nag-bite.
Johnny, third shot. May chance mag par. So this will be our last hole kasi medyo umuulan na. Nice, nice, nice. Go, 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 go. Hina din. Oh, too far from the pin.
Batting par. Good roll.
Mahina, mahina.
Mahina, bro. Sige. Playing boogie. Ooh! Double boogie.
Johnny for par. Ay! Sayang. For bogey. Double bogey pa rin. Rhea, save double. Alright, that concludes our game. We only managed to get 5 holes. Kasi medyo pangit na yung panahon.
Thanks, bro.
Gago rin eh. See you next time.